Good morning, students. Today we start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Microsoft Word 2007. Basically, Microsoft Word is a processing software. We use a notebook to write word and sentences. In the same way, Microsoft Word allows us to type text on a computer in a simple and effective manner. Basically, word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. Today we learn about what can we do with the help of Microsoft Word, how to start Microsoft Word, what are the components of Microsoft Word, how to creating a new document, how to type the text, how to save, close and open a document, then how to exit Microsoft Word, and last one is how to printing a document. So for this all concept, I am showing one video to you related to this chapter. After this video, we start with our question answer session also. Okay, just watch this video.
Microsoft Word is a word processing software. We use a notebook to write words and sentences. In the same way, MS Word allows us to type text on a computer in a simple and effective manner. Word processor is application software that helps us to type, edit and format text. Let us first understand what we can do with MS Word. Type letters, stories, reports, etc. in a simple way. Make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. Give presentable look to the text using different colors, styles and effects. Add pictures in the document. Can keep the document error-free using spelling and grammar feature. Copy and move the text. Save the text for future use. Print a part or whole of the document. Now let's learn how to start MS Word. Click on Start. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on MS Office Word 2007. Let me share a fact with you that the parent software of MS Word is MS Office. Alright, now we shall discuss the components of MS Word 2007. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. It also displays a blinking cursor on the top left side of the window waiting for us to type the text. The open application of MS Word displays two windows on the screen. The larger window is called the application window and the smaller window which is inside the application window is called the document window. The application window helps the user to communicate with the MS Word program. The document window is used for typing, editing and formatting the text. The title bar is on top of the screen. It displays the name of the current document and application. The Quick Access toolbar is present on the title bar. It provides us with access to commands we frequently use. By default, Save, Undo, Redo appears on the Quick Access toolbar. We can add more commands to Quick Access toolbar as per our need. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. The ribbon has replaced the traditional menus which were present in the previous versions of MS Office. The ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. Each tab contains related commands together arranged in different groups. On clicking the Office button, a menu appears using which we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, and perform other tasks. Documents area is the large area where you can type, edit, and format the text. The horizontal ruler measures the width of the document page. It displays margins, settings, tab settings, and indentation. The vertical ruler measures the height of the page. Status bar displays the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. There are vertical and horizontal scroll bars on the right and bottom side of the screen. You can move the screen display towards right or left using the horizontal scroll bar and shift it up and down with the help of the vertical scroll bar. Okay, let me tell you how to create a shortcut of MS Word. Drag the Word icon from the Start menu to the desktop. Let's discuss. Is MS Word an application or system software? Creating a new document. Click on Office button and select New option. The new document dialog box appears. Select Blank Document option from the Blank and Recent section and click on Create button. The new document opens. Typing the text. Remember, do not press the Enter key when you reach at the end of the line. Keep on typing the text. You will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Press the Enter key only to start a new line. Type the following text. Birthday invitation. Dear friends, I am celebrating my birthday on 16th November. You are invited to attend the birthday party at 5 p.m. at my residence. Kindly reach on time to win the punctuality prize. Saving a document. Click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or click on the Office button and select Save option. The Save As dialog box will open. Type any name for your file in the File Name box. Example, Birthday Invitation. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved. The file name Birthday Invitation appears in place of document on the title bar. Quick View. The shortcut key to save document is Ctrl+S. Know the fact. It is necessary to save the document for future use, otherwise the data will be lost. Closing a document. Click on the Office button and select the Close option. If you try to close the document without saving it, MS Word prompts you to save it. You should close the document only after saving it. Opening a document. Click on the Open button on Quick Access toolbar or select Open option from the Office button. The Open dialog box will appear. Select the document by clicking on its name. Click on the Open button. Let me tell you that the shortcut key to open a saved document is Ctrl+O. Note the fact: Microsoft is expected to release the latest version of Office 2013 around December 2012. Exiting MS Word. Once you have finished the work, you need to exit the MS Word application. Click on the Office button. Select the Exit Word button. If you have not saved your work before exiting, Word prompts you to save. Let me share some tips here. You can also exit the MS Word application by clicking on the Close button on the title bar. The shortcut key to close the Word application is Alt+F4. Printing a document. Click on the Print button on Quick Access toolbar to print the document. Or click on the Office button and select Print option. The Print dialog box appears. Click on OK. The document will be printed. The shortcut key to print a document is Ctrl+P. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. Word processor is an application software that helps us to type and edit text using a computer. MS Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. The ribbon is located below the title bar. It contains two parts, tabs and groups. The tabs contain related commands together arranged in different groups.
Okay student, I hope you understand all the concepts. If not, repeat this video. Now we start with a question answer session.
Fill in the blanks.
So in the fill in the blanks, first one is Microsoft Word is a dash software. There are hints given to the right side. Just see that hint in your textbook below the question. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Next question. The Word application open a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. Next question. The dash bar display the name of the current document and the application. The answer is title bar. Next one. We should not press the dash key at the end of each line. So the answer is enter key. We should not press enter key every time. The cursor will automatically come to the next line if the line is ended with. Next one. MS Word open up window with a two window on the screen known as, first one is a application and second one is a document. So application and second one is a document. Last one, the dash contain related commands together arranged in a different group. So the answer is tabs Now the next.
State true or false.
So in the true and false, first one, the shortcut key to close the word application is Control plus F4. Yes, it is true. Next, the title bar contains the button for saving a document. Yes, it is true. Next one, the application window helps us user to communicate with the MS Word program. Yes. Next one, the shortcut key to print a document is Control plus P. It is true. And the quick access toolbar is placed below the title bar. It is false because it is in the same line.
Application based questions.
So in the application based question, the first one is Geeta write a story in a word processor. She wants to see the name of her current document and application. Which part of the window display it? So just now we find the answer as a title bar in the fill in the blanks. So the answer is title bar. Next one, the teacher has asked Rahul to save his document without using the office button. Suggest him another way to complete this task. If Rahul want to save the document, he can use Control plus S key combination to save his document.
Multiple choice questions.
So in the multiple choice question, the first one is the dash area is used for typing and editing text. So the answer is document area is used. Next one, dash option is used to create a new blank document. So whenever we have to create a new document, we use a new option. Next, how many scroll bar are there in the MS Word? So basically total 2 scroll bar are there, vertical and the horizontal. Next one, the extension of a save file in MS Word 2007 is, so the extension is .docx. To close MS Word application, click on Office button and select Exit Word. Okay. Now the last one is
answer the following.
In that, what do you understand by word processing? So this answer is present on page number 62, the third line. Word processor is an application software that help us to type, edit and format the text. Next, write any 2 feature of Microsoft Office Word. Same page, page number 62. In that, there are multiple points are written in what can we do with the MS Word. So you have to write any 2 features. For example, type letter, story, reports, etc. in a simple way, or copy and move the text, or make changes in the text while typing and after typing also. So you can write any 2 feature of MS Word. Next one, how will you save a file in MS Word? So for this answer, you have to open page number 65, saving a document. In that, you have to write, click on the save button on the quick access toolbar, then click on the office button and select the save option. These 2 points you have to write to save a document. I am repeating the answer on page number 65. First point, saving a document. In that, first 2 points you have to write. First, click on the save button on the quick access toolbar, then or click on the office button and select the save option. Okay. Now the last question, which toolbar consists of button to access the commonly used command? So the answer is quick access toolbar. This answer is present on page number 63. There are some at the last, there are one column is there, table is there. In that, second point is quick access toolbar. Okay. So the answer is quick access toolbar. Okay. We covered all the question answers here. If you have any query, any doubt, write in comment box. Okay, write these question answers in your textbook and notebook both. If you have any doubt, just repeat this video and write down the question answers. Thank you.